Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on KDA. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that KDA has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, it broke out another quite long-term down trend line resistance as well. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this long-term downtrend and resistance, the price and has pumped very well. Recently, we have broken out this very significant long-term resistance of $1.40. And right now, the price and is getting accumulated here at this level above this support, by the way, that was previously breaking as a resistance with $1.40. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.40 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, and for several months before that has been breaking as a very strong support. Therefore, if the price and will be moved down from here, then it can again break as a very strong and long-term support for the price line of KDA. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And for several months since after the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of August 2024, it has been moving inside this wedge. And now, finally, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for KDA that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for CEDAS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for KDA that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that KDA has formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is the complete trade signal. The buying zone and the sell target zone, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price is slightly dropped more down and into the buying zone once again, because when I shared this signal a few hours ago, at that time it was slightly pumped, slightly moved above this buying zone, and now it has completely entered the buying zone. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone. And before that, we got almost 12% pump. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that I shared on 21st of September 2024 with my members. And this signal, this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone and the sell target zone, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Before that, we caught almost 31% pump. This was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of KDA. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, previously it was moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, for several days or weeks, it had been struggling to break out another downtrend line resistance. That was in fact found when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern here in the month of April 2024. And finally, we broke it out. And after the breakout, finally, we have almost hit the target for the breakout from this. In fact, the price has moved beyond that target that I was telling in my so many previous videos. That was here at the top of the wedge at $1.80, and you can see that the price has rallied up to $1.98.3. And now, soon I'm expecting that it can make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance of $2.50. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $2.50 has been breaking as a resistance here in the month of August 2022. And before that, here it was breaking as a resistance in the month of September 2021. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of KDA. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that KDA has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and so far it could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.